What's up YouTube? Sony Vaio laptop here. New laptop has a i5 processor. Not just bought it. Don't really know. Well, I knew what it had, but not off the top of my head. Alright, let's open this. Oh, here's the back of the box. Side. And the other side. These are the specs. 4 gig of RAM, 14-inch display, i5 processor, Intel HD graphics 3640 gig hard drive, DVD Super Multi Drive, and Windows 7. Home Premium package, Home Premium Service Pack 1, 64-bit. Alright. This is the instructions manual, which nobody reads. Probably the power adapter thing. Alright, there's the first part. The adapter. And the battery. Put that aside. And here's the Sony Vaio. This is the white one. There was also a pink one, but I was sure not getting that. This is it. Yep, Ethernet port. That's for like hooking it up to a TV or something. HD, USB, earphone, and microphone. Let's see, what's that? Those are like micro SD, Pro Duo, SD card, Wi-Fi on off, power, hard drive use, battery or wall plugged in. On the side, 3 more USB ports, and the DVD Super Multi Drive. And then that's the Sony Vaio. And I also got this skin for it. It's for the what's it called? Keyboard. And then the guy, we were making jokes and stuff, and he gave us this free 6 months. It was 20 bucks. This is for if you pay for the optimization, but I didn't pay for it because I would do it. But yeah, that's the Sony Vaio. It's pretty nice. It has like you could see it, but you could also feel it. And there's the camera there. And that's it. Thanks for watching. See you. Comment, rate, subscribe.